colors look flat, reflections are meddlesome, or light feels unmanageable. Camera lens filters can handle all these issues. They might be small accessories, but play a major role in upgrading image quality, adding creative effects, and protecting lenses. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, understanding the types of filters and how to use them can change the way you approach your shots. Let's dive into the essentials, covering everything you need to know about camera lens filters and why they're valued in the community. Filters are transparent or semi-transparent pieces that you attach to the front of your lens. They modify the light before it hits the camera sensor, resulting in effects that are sometimes impossible to achieve through digital editing alone. Not only do they improve image quality, but they can also protect your expensive lenses from scratches, dust, and environmental hazards. From creating vibrant colors and eliminating glare to managing challenging lighting conditions, filters help photographers capture scenes precisely how they envision them. Let's learn in detail about the most popular filter types and their general uses. First up are UV filters. They are among the simplest yet most popular lens filters, often used for lens protection rather than UV reduction. UV filters were essential for cutting down on atmospheric haze, especially in high altitude or coastal environments while filming before the invention of digital cameras. Now, modern digital cameras are far less sensitive to UV light, but many photographers still use these filters to shield their lenses from dust, scratches, and fingerprints. Protective filters, which are essentially clear versions without UV reduction, serve the same purpose. For those who shoot in outdoor conditions or fast-paced environments, having a UV or protective filter can be a cost-effective way to safeguard your lens. Polarizing filters are valued for their ability to reduce reflections and enhance color saturation. Ever wondered how some landscape photographers make the sky look richer or water surfaces glare-free? That's the polarizer at work. Polarizing filters are perfect for scenarios with reflective surfaces, such as lakes or windows, and help in darkening skies, giving an intense, vivid look to blue skies and lush greenery. Be mindful that these filters can darken your image by about 3 stops, so adjusting your exposure is necessary. Moreover, most polarizing filters are circular, allowing you to rotate the filter to achieve the desired effect. Considering all of these, this filter works perfectly for landscape photographers aiming to add depth and contrast to their shots. Sometimes the light is just too bright, and you need control over exposure. This is where neutral density or ND filters work their magic. ND filters are like sunglasses for your camera, reducing the amount of light that enters the lens without altering color. This reduction lets photographers use longer shutter speeds or wider apertures in bright conditions, creating artistic effects like motion blur in waterfalls, clouds, or busy streets. ND filters are also essential in video work, where maintaining a specific frame rate requires control over light. With various strengths available, you can choose between fixed ND filters or adjustable variable ND filters that allow adjustments for your specific needs. For anyone looking to experiment with long exposure photography, ND filters should be their first pick. Graduated neutral density, or GND filters, offer a solution for high contrast scenes, like landscapes with a bright sky and a dark foreground. These filters are partially transparent, with one half clear and the other darkened, allowing photographers to balance light in unevenly lit scenes. GND filters are available in several variations: soft-edged for gradual transitions, hard-edged for distinct separations, and reverse GNDs, where the darkest area is in the middle. For landscape photographers who want to capture balanced, detailed skies and foregrounds without post-processing, GND filters provide a level of control that no editing software can provide you with. Color filters are a versatile choice, especially in black and white photography, where they adjust tonal contrasts by allowing certain colors to pass while blocking others. They're also useful in underwater photography to counteract color casts caused by water. Although many of these effects can now be added in post-production, some photographers still prefer the control and immediate results that color filters give. Red, green, yellow, and blue filters are common, each adding different shades and contrast to black and white images, while underwater photographers often use them to bring back lost hues. Lastly, for those looking to add an artistic touch, special effect filters are an exciting category. Some popular examples include infrared filters, which create surreal, dreamlike images by capturing infrared light, and black mist filters, which add a soft, hazy glow perfect for portraits. Starburst filters add a star-shaped flare to bright points of light, while astro-neutral filters are designed to reduce light pollution, making them popular for night sky photography. Though many effects can be replicated in software, certain effects like starbursts or unique bokeh patterns can only be achieved with physical filters, allowing photographers to add a special touch directly to their images. When selecting a filter, it's essential to consider your photographic needs and the effect you're aiming for. For beginners, a circular polarizing filter offers incredible versatility, especially for landscapes. If you're keen on capturing motion blur in bright daylight, an ND filter is your best friend, and landscape photographers may find GND filters indispensable. Once you decide on the type, make sure to check the filter's size to ensure it matches your lens diameter. Quality also matters. High-quality glass filters provide superior image clarity and are often more durable, so they're worth the investment. We will go in depth about quality a little bit later. Filters come in various shapes and mounting styles. Screw-in filters are circular and attach directly to the lens. They're easy to use but can cause vignetting on wide-angle lenses. Square and rectangular filters, used with a filter holder, allow more flexibility in composition and minimize vignetting. These filters are ideal for landscape photographers who need precise placement. Clip-in filters are another option, sitting directly within the camera body, making them especially useful for wide-angle lenses as they eliminate vignetting. Choosing the right shape and mounting system will depend on your lenses and the control you need for your shots. Now let us consider build and quality. Filters are available in several materials, with optical glass considered the best for clarity and durability. Resin filters are cheaper, but may scratch more easily and impact image quality. Higher-end filters often feature coatings that reduce reflections, glare, and ghosting, and they're sometimes hydrophobic, meaning water slides off without leaving streaks. Filter thickness also matters. Slim filters are generally preferable for wide-angle lenses to avoid vignetting. When it comes to retaining rings, brass rings are more reliable than aluminum, as they resist sticking and provide a tighter, more secure fit. While relying on post-processing feels convenient, camera lens filters provide an instant solution for photographers and videographers, helping capture images that would be tough, if not impossible, to achieve digitally. Also, whether you're looking to protect your lens, manage reflections, control light, or add creative effects, filters can positively elevate your photography. For this reason, we urge you to experiment with different types and see how they affect your shots. We believe that a filter can take what you envision and bring it to life, even making it better than you envision. So, it is important to learn about lenses and what you can do with them if you are trying to be serious about photography. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and reviews.